Right guys, new lock for you. This is an American lock. It's a Series 1100. It's on loan from Mark D. Cheers pal. If it comes into focus, there you go. Came with working keys. That's the bit in. Works the lock fine. Now I'm going to single pin pick this for you. I've been playing about with it and I found the best tension and the best pins to set to avoid all them serrated pins coming into play so much. So what I'll do is I'll pick it first and I'll go through it with you. But it's all locked up. I'm going to use a short hook. Okay. Open. Now it is full of serrated pins. That close back up because say you're picking it one pin at a time from front to back. Don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but you can hear the all the pins set in. Now that is picking the serrations themselves. Takes a bit longer. But with the bitting, you can see a lot of the pins are the same height. So with the right tension, you can actually avoid them all. Now what I do is you set the first pin, put quite a bit of tension on, and set the first pin just one click, like that. Then what I do is, because the pins are all quite the same height, when I push my pick in, and you let off the tension a bit and push down, it's actually setting those pins in that order as well. So I can go to the back of the lock, touch that last pin, whilst I'm pushing along the next row from 2, 3, 4, whatever, which means it's into a false set. Then I come back to the front pin again. Where is it, that one? It's there somewhere. Yeah, that one. Knock it out of false and pick it. So these can be picked really quick, but that's just to prove to you that they can be done really, really quick. So a lot of people see people picking them on YouTube fast and think, oh, there's no pins in there or whatever. But yeah, cheers lads.